How many languages do you speak? In your opinion, which language sounds the sexiest in the world? Is there any other language you wish to learn and speak? This is very interesting. How old are you?
I'm 31 years old.
She's 31 with this. Wow. How many languages do you speak?
I speak 4 languages.
Four. Wow. May we know what are those languages?
I can speak English, Bicol, Tagalog, and Japanese.
Japanese. Oh, that's interesting. Are you half Japanese or
No, I'm fan of an anime, so I learn.
that's very yeah, that's very interesting. Japanese. Okay, can you say I love you in those languages?
In Bicol, we say, padabata ka. In Tagalog, we say, mahal kita. In English, we say, I love you. And in Japanese, we say, uh, wait. Wait, wait.
Uh-oh.
In Japanese, ah, aishimatesu.
Wow.
Aishimatesu. We say aishimatesu in Japanese.
Aishi Aishi Matisi?
Aishimatesu.
Matis.
Aishimatesu.
Matisum. Oh, wow. Okay, let's go back to the I love you in Bicol. You said padabata ka.
Yep.
Okay, because I'm also Bicolano, right? So I think padabata ka is I care for you. Padabata ka, I care for you.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. I don't know if you can also say that padabata ka means I love you, but is that your I love you in Bicol?
Yes.
Mm. Guys, we are here in Goa Camarines Sur. I don't know if that's how people here in Goa, say I love you in Bicol, but me originally, I was born in Albay and but I'm Bicolana, okay? Albay is part of Bicol and we say namumutanta ka. Yeah, namumutanta ka in Bicol. That means I love you in English, namumutanta ka. Padabata ka that translates for I care for you. Yeah. How about you? Do you know namumutanta ka?
Yes.
Okay.
But like padabata ka is like I know
Okay. You're not the only person that say padabata ka, right? Okay. Just to make things clear because uh people might some people might say, "Oh, padabata ka means I care for you." So, for her that's I love you and for other people here in Goa, right? They say I love you too. Okay. Okay, what that's very interesting, right? Because as in Albay we say namumutanta ka. Okay. So if you visit Goa, you can say that padabata ka. Okay. In your opinion, which language sounds the sexiest in the world?
For me, Bicol. Yeah.
Bicol. Why Bicol?
Because in our own like country, in our own place, um that's how we express our love. Like to expressing our love to someone. Mm,
Mhm. that's how that's how we express our love to someone by uh you know by our language. That's what you meant.
yes, but not like not only expressing the way we speak to our language, the way we also we care for someone. Yeah.
Oh, okay, Bicol. Bicol. Okay. Is there any other language you wish to learn and speak?
um I want to learn French. French.
Why French?
um I watch some movies and I found it cool.
Oh,
that.
cool.
Yeah.
Even Japanese. Yeah, so we're also planning to, what do you call this, to visit Japan. Me and my husband we're planning to visit Japan one day. And what do you call this, because of their food. Sushi, like those. How many languages do you speak?
I speak three languages.
And those are?
English, Filipino, and Bicol po.
Because are you fluent in English?
I am a little bit po. I can understand and speak too.
Speak to. How about Bicol?
Yes, of course po.
Tagalog.
Yes then.
Can you say I love you in those languages?
Yes po. I can say. In English, I say I love you, and Tagalog, mahal kita, and Bicol, padangat ka.
Padangata ka. Okay. In your opinion, which language sounds the sexiest in the world?
For me, it's Bicol because I am a Bicolana for sure.
So if there is someone that wants to say I love you to you, you want him to say it in Bicol or
Yes.
like in his language?
For me, Bicol.
Bicol. So you should learn how to say padangata ka. Padangata ka. Okay. I interviewed what do you call this, some Filipinas earlier, and they said padangat is commonly used in Naga, right? Is it true?
Yes po.
How about here in Goa? Do you also use that like a lot?
Um, no po.
No. What is common here? When they want to say I love you, what do they usually say?
Mostly, I love you talaga.
Yes, even we are Bicolanos, a lot of us, they instead of saying it in Bicol, they say it in English. I love you. And it sounds sweet too, right?
Yes po.
Yes. Okay. Okay. For the last question. Okay, last question. Is there any other language you wish to learn and speak?
Yes po, that would be Korean.
Why Korean?
Because I love watching K-drama po.
Okay. Are you single or in a relationship?
Single po since birth.
Since birth. And you're still studying, right?
Yes po.
Okay, you're so pretty. You're welcome. She's very pretty. How many languages do you speak?
4. I mean, ang ano ba, it's English, Filipino, Bicol, and Iloco.
Iloco.
Yeah.
Wow. Like, is it Iloco or Ilocan?
Ah,
Ilocano is person, right?
Ilocano is person, pero yung language, Iloco.
Okay, Iloco language. Ilocano is the person. Okay, this is from Ilocos, right?
Yes. Yeah, Ilocos region.
Okay, Ilocos region. Different from here. It's different. This is Camarines or Bicol. That language is from Ilocos. Okay, Iloco. Wow.
Widely spoken siya sa iba-ibang part ng Northern Luzon.
Oh, okay. What she said is it's widely spoken from
Northern Luzon.
Northern Luzon. Okay. Can you say I love you in those languages?
Yes, okay. In English, I love you. Filipino, mahal kita. In Bicolano, maraming ano, namumutanta ka or padangat ta ka. Pwedeng ganon. In Ilocos is, ay-ayaten ka.
Oh, okay. I can repeat it. But you mentioned about padangat taka.
Yes.
Okay, different way to say I love you in Bicol. That's my this is not my first time to hear that to hear those words. But which specifically place here in Bicol they usually say padangat taka?
Padangat is parang mostly sa Naga. Padangat.
Naga. Okay.
Hindi ako
Naga.
Correct me if I'm wrong. Medyo matagal na akong hindi nakauwi sa Bicol eh.
She said, correct me if I'm wrong because she's been how do you say that, away from
Away from this my province, medyo matagal na rin.
Okay. Okay, she was from Ilocos, right?
La Union to be exact.
La Union.
Yes.
Okay, for a long time.
Pero from here talaga. Born and raised here.
Okay. You know, it's very interesting because we speak Bicol, right? But there are so many
Yes.
like languages.
Oo.
Because me originally I'm from Albay. We speak, Bicol, but there's a place in Albay called Daraga, and they also speak like different.
Oo. Parang itong Partido Bicol is different also. Naga Bicol is different din.
Yes.
Rinconada is different
Oh
din.
my goodness, yes. It really depends on which area
which
you
area.
are. Okay. Partido that's where it is. Here in Camarines, in Goa,
Yes.
they speak Partido Bicol. Okay. In your opinion, which language sounds the sexiest in the world?
Isa lang ba? Parang I have two.
Okay, you can
Spanish and French.
Spanish. Why did you say Spanish?
Ano lang kasi 'pag nagsasalita sila medyo mabilis pero naiintindihan natin kasi siya, eh, kasi colonized tayo by Spaniards before, 'di ba? Parang I find it sexy lang.
Oh, she said it's because they speak fast and we could understand them because we were colonized by Spaniards before.
No, Bicol words 'di ba parang Spanish, kutsara, tinidor.
Definitely, yes, my husband. He could understand Bicol words, right? Bicol words because he is, he knows Spanish.
Oo. Medyo hawig kaya parang
Yeah.
sabi ko, I find it wow, attractive.
And
'Di ba?
there's a place here in the Philippines that they speak Spanish.
Yeah, ano yun, Chabacano is the dialect. I think Zamboanga, correct me if I'm wrong, di ako sure. Chabacano ang dialect language nila.
I saw that on YouTube. They speak Spanish. Okay. And you said earlier French, right?
Mhm.
Why French?
Ang sexy din kasing pakinggan niya, as in, yung very malumanay, tapos hindi ko basta I find it attractive lang.
They also they also sounds sexy.
Oh,
That's what she said. And what's malumanay in English? Like slow, like that?
Malumanay.
Like calm, like sweet?
Sweet.
Okay, sweet. They sound sweet French. Do you know can you speak like at least like words or at least a word in French?
Hindi ako masyadong familiar.
You're not familiar.
Ano ba? Tama ba? Merci beaucoup?
Merci. Okay,
Tama
if we
French
have
ba yun?
if we have French people there,
Yeah.
tell me
Tama
if
ba?
she said it correctly.
Baka wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong kung tama yung pagkakasabi ko ng words.
You can correct her.
Hindi ako masyadong familiar sa words.
She's not that familiar with the words. But where did you heard French and Spanish? Because you said, you consider they're the sexiest
Mostly sa sa internet.
internet.
Internet talaga marami kang makikita. Lalo na sa TikTok, iba-ibang lahi, iba-ibang klaseng language.
Okay. So she said internet, especially TikTok, because there's a lot of, different people, different languages that they're using. For the last question, is there any other language you wish to speak and learn?
Yes. Spanish talaga. Spanish talaga. Parang sobrang interesting niya kasi. Feeling ko mas madali ko siyang matututunan kasi yung words mas malapit sa parang may pagkakahawig sa atin.
So she said Spanish because it's quite similar with Bicol language. Okay. This is very interesting. How old are you?
I'm 31 years old.
She's 31 with this. Wow. 31 years old. You look so pretty.
Thank you so much. Hindi ako sanay mga compliments.
She said she's not used to compliments. You're so pretty. Amazing.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Anyway, hopefully we earned your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, everyone. Thank you.
Beautiful reflections are all I can see as I live from the love and joy inside of me. It is the love and joy that resides in everyone. Warming